Let's transform this $500 car Apple Carplay edition. Get rid of this old Bluetooth transmitter. We're gonna start by taking this whole radio apart. Unscrew a few bolts from the back. Then we're going to gently take off these vent pieces. This was the scariest part. I didn't want to break any of the plastic. Now we're going to take off this radio and disconnect the battery. I bought this aftermarket radio for $125. Before putting everything back together, we're going to make sure everything works. Looks good. The only working speaker sounds so much better now. The rest is just plug and play. Almost done. Connect the battery. Looks clean. Impressed with how responsive it is. Comment on what I should add next.